One AI agent can solve puzzles. But what if an entire team of AI agents join forces, each bringing their unique strengths to tackle challenges together? Imagine harnessing the collective intelligence of machines. Multi-agent systems make this possible. These are groups of AI agents who collaborate, communicate, and coordinate their actions to accomplish complex tasks that a single agent alone might find overwhelming. Why do we need this teamwork? Let's say you have just one AI agent. It can handle basic tasks, but big projects, those demanding many skills and steps, can cause it to stumble. That's the challenge. One agent, one perspective. When projects grow in size and complexity, one mind isn't enough. Instead, multiple AI agents step up, each with a specific role. Some gather information, others analyze data, others write reports or check work for mistakes. They talk to each other, share what they've learned, and work side by side, much like a real-world team. Picture a modern hospital. No single doctor manages patients, diagnoses, treatments, and reviewing outcomes alone. Instead, you have a network, coordinators organizing care, researchers collecting data, specialists analyzing diagnoses, writers creating reports, and quality checkers reviewing decisions. The hospital thrives on collaboration, and so do multi-agent AI systems. For example, in an AI team, a manager agent coordinates the work. A research agent collects necessary data. An analyst agent interprets the findings. A writer agent creates a clear report. A critic agent checks for mistakes and quality. First, the manager receives a big task and breaks it into smaller pieces. The research, analysis, writing, and review agents each tackle their part. They share results, learning from each other's work. Step by step, the group builds toward the goal, finally delivering the polished outcome. Suppose the team needs to create a competitor analysis report. The research agent dives into the data. The analyst uncovers trends and insights. The writer crafts a comprehensive summary. The critic reviews and suggests improvements. Each agent specializes, but together, their collective effort is greater than the sum of the parts. Why use multi-agent systems? They execute tasks faster, improve accuracy, scale easily, and bring specialized intelligence to every job. But they're not without challenges. More agents mean harder coordination, complex communication lines, higher costs, and a need for robust safety checks so nothing goes astray. When AI agents work together, magic happens. Multi-agent systems unlock possibilities that a single agent simply can't reach. You get speed, precision, and flexibility, all built on teamwork. If this helped clarify multi-agent AI, consider liking and subscribing to join our journey through the new frontier of AI technology. Imagine a world where AI does the heavy lifting, turning complex challenges into effortless solutions. Welcome to NUAA-TECH videos, exploring the future of AI and automation. From smart agents to real-world enterprise breakthroughs, I try to make technology simple and inspiring. Unlock your curiosity. Join my journey. NUAA-TECH videos. Subscribe and shape the future today.